Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I am in my laundry room. I want to do a makeover in this section. Now before I show you the area, I want to tell you that there is a mess and there are things on there that don't belong there. So this is going to undergo a major makeover. Now it's a double door little area here for the washer and dryer. And up there on that rack, I have placed items, and it got a little bit out of hand. And then there's other things that don't belong there. Those two boxes, I'm just getting ready to ship. I just haven't gotten to the post office yet. But I will come back with this section, and it'll be totally different. So stay tuned because all this is going out. So stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching.